I am S. Malligarjunan, Managing Director of Textech Industries India Private Limited. Textech Industries was started in the year 1975 by my father, late S. Srinivasan, to manufacture and supply critical spare parts, that is replacement spare parts for all types of cotton combers. In the year 1975, during Tex-Tech's earliest period, nipper assemblies, which are the heart of combers, were being imported from European countries. Tex-Tech was the first to come out with the concept of reconditioning a damaged and a worn-out nipper, which resulted in valuable saving of foreign exchange as well as time. My father, the late S. Srinivasan, then started concentrating in the manufacture of all types of critical spare parts, which comprise in a comber, wherein it added to the main functions, like not only like nipper assemblies, but also detaching rollers, detaching loading parts, drafting parts, etc. I finished my engineering and joined my father in the year 1985. I am an alumni of PSG Tech and I have specialized in machine design. In the year 1990, we started manufacturing of reneedling of unicombs and top combs, and then started to produce parts and started exporting of spare parts of Reiter E7 bar 4 and E7 bar 2 components. Our first customer was an Indonesian customer, a Malaysian customer called Chempaganagari Lakshmi. We supplied them nipper assemblies, new nipper assemblies, and they were very much happy with it. And they became our permanent customer. We also started to supply spare parts to East African countries, namely Tanzania and Kenya. In 2005, Textech became a private limited company with my father, the late S. Srinivasan, as chairman and myself as managing director. Textech then grew leaps and bounds and has today become an one-stop solution provider of spare parts and technical aspects for spinning mills producing combed yarns. Textech, we are proud to inform you that we have become OEM suppliers today to leading European manufacturer for their latest 4th generation combers. We have a state-of-art infrastructure comprising of CNC vertical machining centers, BFW make around 11 machines, CNC turning centers, LMW make 4 machines, then CNC plastic hydraulic screw injection molding, Malligarjunan make 2 machines, then CNC 4th axis Mexican fiber brush pinning machines, Zaronsky German make, and CNC trimming machines of Zaronsky make. So we are able to produce quality spare parts with our infrastructure. For reverse engineering, for production of new components, we have a metrological lab comprising of 3D printers, the CMM coordinate measuring machines, vision measuring machines, surface roughness testers, and spectrometers for knowing the chemical analysis, for doing the chemical analysis of all types of metals. So this is the infrastructure which we have, and we are going to produce more number of critical components, not only for combers but for other machineries, especially for import substitute. As I told you, we have become a one-stop solution provider for any cotton spinning mill. We offer spare parts not only for Reiter machines, combers. We also offer spare parts for Toyota machines, for LMW, Lakshmi combers, Hara combers, Wu combers, Marzoli combers, etc. Recently, we have started venturing into worsted spinning and linen, jute and flax spinning. Those combers They are used for these, you know very well that linen, jute are all long staple, and the combers are of a different variety. Schlumberger, German company, they are the pioneers in the process of these linen worsted plants. We have started to produce these spare parts like brushes, top comb strips, faller bars, circular combs, even for the worsted, linen, jute and flax processing mills. Sir, if you take the pie chart of Tex-Tech sales, 40% of Tex-Tech sales is for exports. 60% comes out of domestic sales. In the 40%, our market, we have markets for Indonesia, Southeast Asian countries like Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand, etc. Then we have a very good presence in East Africa, mainly Egypt. We also have a good market in South America. We supply our parts to Argentina as well as Brazil. In terms of the Indian subcontinent, we are exporters to Bangladesh and also Pakistan. So these are the countries which majorly contribute to our exports. We are also proud to inform you that we are supplying our comber parts to American spinning manufacturers. We have 2-3 customers in US who regularly buy spare parts from Tex-Tech. In short, Mr. Gopal, the USP of Tex-Tech is we specialize only in combing. We do not cater to any products in carding, draw frame, etc. We specialize in combing. And the amount of experience which we have, we are in this field, same field of manufacture of comber parts and upgradation of combers for the past 45 years. So we have awesome experience in combing process. Myself being a machine design engineer, I have hands-on experience in handling 1903 model Reater 6-set combers to the latest 2022 model Reater E86 machines. So this amount of experience is not easily available in the market. Number one. Number two, the main difference between Tex-Tech and other suppliers. Tex-Tech not only supplies spare parts, we also supply retrofit kits to upgrade their old model combers to the latest version. Today in this competitive world, investment has become a big problem to all spinning mills because of the fluctuation in the price of cotton, which is a major, which attributes to 80% of their cost, their raw material cost. Investment in machinery is a far-fetched dream because realization is a big problem today. We offer a solution to upgrade their old machines to the latest versions by spending a small amount of money. This has helped spinning mills to achieve a better productivity with a lesser amount of wastage and cater to the customer with a better quality yarn, thereby getting a better ROI, that is a return on investment. So we are today proudly state that a lot of spinning mills, even for their day-to-day combing process, take our expertise. We offer a service by having a team of engineers who do the erection, servicing and the annual maintenance contract of maintaining combers for spinning mills, sir. See, a customer is like a coconut tree. The better you cater to him, the better return he will provide us. See, each and every retrofit which we have done or which we have done on the machine, we have a group of service engineers and we take up the annual maintenance contract of the machine to maintain the machine in a healthy condition so that the customer gets the necessary output from the machine constantly. That is the secret of success of Textech. And this can be easily determined because our customer attrition ratio is very low. All customers, take for instance Premier Group. We have an association with Premier Group for more than 35 years. Same is the case with Precot. You name any good spinning mills, quality mills, not the best one, Ambika Cotton. We are proud to be associated with Ambika, where they have taken our retrofits for all around 35 to 40 machines, and the same have been working very well. And in the north, ST Cortex is one of our best clients. Bardhaman Polytex are our good clients. You can take Aarti International, any client. We have been having an association with them for nearly 35 years. And still today, my son has joined as an executive director of the company. He is the third generation to have come into the same business. He has done his master's in material science from Georgia Tech, Atlanta. And he never wished to work in US. And he wanted to come back to the roots and take over this company which was founded by his grandfather. So we will continue to support all the customers in the near future with the advent of the third generation also. Textech has got a good pavilion this time in India ITME. Our focus is, again, we are coming out with some new retrofits to upgrade Unilabs, both E30 and E32 model, to their latest version. This will help customer to have a better ROI, return on investment, thereby saving noise. So this is a retrofit which is going to be a good success, and the first will be launched in this India ITME. We also come out with 2 more new products, namely the Vario combs, which are going to be a substitute for Stedler's Vario combs. And we also come out with a cotton fabricated spools, or you can call it as lap carriers. This is first of its kind in India. And regarding the outcome of India ITME, the atmosphere today, because of the increase in cotton prices, the mentality or the current situation is not conducive. And I would like all spinning mills to take this opportunity to meet one another and discuss and formulate a plan so as to overcome all these type of issues in the near future. Because India is going to be one of the key players in terms of clothing the world. People say that Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Pakistan contribute, but with my short experience of 37 years, the Indian spinner has got more value than any Bangladeshi, Pakistani or a Sri Lankan guy. Having interacted with so many people, I will rate the Indian spinner one among the top in the world. And name any country where they are making garments, say for Egypt. The topmost mill in Egypt has an Indian spinner running it. So I'm proud to be an Indian, and this India ITME will showcase to the textile world the caliber of Indian products, which can today be a replacement to any imported ones. And I appreciate the Indian government for coming out with this Atmanirbhar, where this Make in India initiative has prompted people like us to be more focused and come out with new products, Gopal. See, textile is a sunrise industry, Gopal. It is never going to set down. Until man is alive, he has to clothe himself. Then the only other aspect is in terms of laborers, employees. See, today with the advent of new technology, automation of each and every process will take us forward. Automation at what cost? Automation at a competitive cost will bear the fruit in the near future. Because all people, all spinners, see, you can take them as 3-4 segments. Large corporates to individual entrepreneurs. Large corporates can invest money and bring in automation. What about the medium guy and the entrepreneur guy? So we are going to come out with different automations in combing, wherein manual labor will be eliminated, not avoided, eliminated. It not even reduction. We want to eliminate it. So we are on the process of coming out with it, and we are also on the process of developing components with my son's specialization of composites, wherein the life of the material can be increased 2 to 3-fold with a lower cost. These are our plans, Gopal. And Tex-Tech also has got a plan to diversify into other fields, which we will be coming out in the next year. We cordially invite all our customers and future customers to come and visit our stall in India ITME. Our stall number is hall number 9 and stall number is J1. We take this opportunity to thank Textile Magazine for the wonderful opportunity provided to each and every entrepreneur or industry, small scale industry or medium scale industry, to focus on India ITME and to project them in a viable platform. Thank you, Gopal, for this excellent initiative taken by you.